Hello, welcome to another new video. Today I will make a battery like 5 volt and 12 volt with this battery. This is 6 volt lead acid battery and I cut it. I need 3 18650 battery and BMS. Here I connect all connection. I need 12 volt to 5 volt power supply. This is car charger, mobile charger. 12 volt input and 5 volt output. Here open this and remove this wire. Here I set all this thing, BMS and battery. This is USB port. Connect in here a switch for this USB power supply. And this is 12 volt output. $10.97. Five volt off for output. It's working. Nice. Here I connect big wire. No problem. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.